three-term, yung bagong ano natin na three-term
School calendar.
School
Yeah.
calendar.
Thank-
We are in the third month now. Kumusta po yung ano natin implementation?
Thank you for the question no, regarding the three-term school calendar, the Department of Education. We're getting positive feedback from our teachers, from our school heads also, on the implementation of the three-term school calendar. More importantly, no, everyone is more conscious about the instructional block, no, na hindi siya na-interrupt, na mga bata nakafocus talaga sa teaching and learning. So we've also minimized the number of activities that they have, and we make sure that these activities are classroom-based. Basically, para mas maraming nakikinabang sa mga activities na to rather than the entire school convening no towards a particular program, pero iilan lang nagpa-participate. This time, everyone participates in the classroom.
Sir, right now, sir, no, yung iba't ibang lugar sa bansa is experiencing calamity. So, ano ba ang naging advantage ito with this new school calendar?
So the three-term school calendar is tandem with the education and emergencies policy that we have. Yung hinay, hinto, hayo, hinay, sorry guys. Hinto, hinay, hayo, what's the 4H? I'm sorry, sorry. So anyway, yung education in emergencies natin, very structured na siya. So for example, pag kaya pang ituloy ang pagtuturo at ang teaching and learning because hindi naman ganun ka-affected ang mga estudyante, they can do so. So more granular ng ating program, hindi yung one size fits all or pag nag-cancel ng klase, lahat na talaga wala nang ginagawa. So we make sure that it continues except when it's hinto. When it says stop talaga, for example, like what happened to the to Mindanao, to specifically Region 12, Isarangani and General Santos na malakas yung earthquake and there were nagbabadyang mga tawag ito aftershocks. So talagang hininto namin. They need to focus on their personal well-being at saka wellness ng mga bata and then we continue. Pero we don't meet face-to-face muna.
So, are you saying, sir, na mas flexible itong three-term calendar?
Mas flexible, mas contextualize siya kung kano yung kailangan talaga ng mga bata. And we're more conscious again about the teaching and learning process. So we make sure na pag instructional block, limited or talagang walang interruptions ang ating pagtuturo at saka pag-aaral.
So with that, hindi ba natin na-disregard yung mga nag-excel sa extracurricular activities?
Well, hindi naman, no? Kasi, again, binibigyan namin naman sila ng pagkakataon basta wag lang mag-disrupt yung klase. So, may flexibility din sila to implement. But as much as possible when it comes to teaching and learning, especially during the weekdays, talagang we protect the integrity of that. So, hindi namin pinapayagan talaga ang basta-basta any activity. Siguro, pag mga competitions, na international competitions, for example, we make sure na they can adapt, no? That the schools have a learning continuity plan that they can adapt. But as much as possible, we minimize or we really, control the number of learners that will leave the classroom for any activity outside of the school.
So going back sa disaster-stricken areas, especially here in Mindanao, any updates po yung sa infrastructure project for the affected schools?
So for the affected schools, so for example, in General Santos, we provided learning continuity spaces, yung mga temporary spaces for them to have the classes so instead of building actual buildings kasi matagal yung process na yun. So we're providing them this learning continuity spaces which they can use as temporary classrooms in the meantime, no? While we are trying to fix also the classroom gaps that we have in the country.
Sir, lastly, any message to the students or some encouragements?
Sige, to our learners, patuloy kayo mag-aral and we promise you that we'll support you in your teaching and learning process. The Department of Education is here to provide support and assistance to all of you. No? Sana naiintindihan ninyo na kakampi ninyo kami, kasama ninyo kami at kasangga ninyo kami sa pagpapatuloy ng inyong edukasyon kahit saan man kayo.